Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the controversial details of President Emerson Mnangagwa's recent trip to China. This visit wasn't just about politics and economics. It also sparked quite a bit of drama and debate back home in Zimbabwe. So what's the big deal? Well, Mnangagwa brought along his son, Collins, and his brother-in-law, Henry Kutyauripo, to the Forum on China-Africa Cooperation, and this has raised quite a few eyebrows. Collins, who's got business ties with Chinese companies, tagging along with his dad, the president, naturally raises questions about conflicts of interest. And then there's Kutyauripo. His role in the delegation is still pretty mysterious. Presidential spokesman George Sharamba confirmed he's a government employee, but didn't specify his department or role. So, yeah, people are curious. Now, let's talk about the cost. This trip wasn't cheap. The chartered Boeing business jet racked up an estimated $18,600 per hour, according to Paramount Business Jets. That's a hefty price tag, especially for a country grappling with significant economic challenges. But beyond the eyebrow-raising details of who came along, there's also the bigger picture to consider. Mnangagwa's visit aimed to bolster Zimbabwe's economic ties with China, and it comes at a critical time. Zimbabwe's trade with China hit $3.12 billion in 2023, with significant exports like minerals and tobacco. The country also has a $2 billion debt to China, mainly from energy projects. During his trip, Mnangagwa toured prominent Chinese companies like Huawei and BYD in Shenzhen and held discussions with Chinese President Xi Jinping. The president secured 17 new agreements covering everything from agricultural trade to infrastructure development. These deals fit into China's Belt and Road Initiative and Zimbabwe's Vision 2030, aiming to enhance development and cooperation. Yet there's a catch. While Chinese investment is pouring in, over $3.4 billion and 472 investment licenses by the end of last year, there are growing concerns about the potential over-reliance on a single foreign power. Balancing this influx of foreign capital with domestic economic empowerment is a tightrope act. And as Zimbabwe navigates these economic waters, the government faces mounting pressure to address issues of transparency, debt sustainability, and the potential exploitation of the nation's natural resources. The long-term implications of this deepening economic partnership with China are something that both Zimbabweans and the international community will be watching closely. So what's my take? Mnangagwa's China trip is a complex mix of political maneuvering, economic necessity, and personal controversy. As Zimbabwe continues to grapple with its own challenges, the president's decision to bring family members along on an official trip adds another layer to the ongoing debate about his leadership priorities. And that's all for today, folks. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you in the next one.